Alright, check this out. Bosscomm reached out to me to check out this scanner, see what I think. Let's take a look at it. Looks pretty nice. User manual. DLC connector. Charging cable. Oh, this is probably for updates so that you can update it. Alright, looks good. Let's try it out. Plug the connector into the DLC. Turn the key on. So you can select on the side here. It's not a touch screen. That's okay. Diagnose. Hit OK. We've got a Volkswagen, so European. Bentley, Bugatti. Oh, and there's our codes. Engine speed, engine speed. So we can see those codes. And this is exactly what I knew was there, an engine speed code. So P0, 321 or 322. So we'll exit. So if you had it set up to a printer, you could print it. Alright. Data list. Let's see what the data we can see. See if we can see engine speed. Read by list. Engine speed. And we can see the engine speed right now. That looks about accurate. I'm just going to increase it slowly. I wonder if I can graph it. FN button. Where's the FN? Okay. Let's try that. FN. Okay. That's really cool. So you can graph it. This is very helpful when you're trying to diagnose sensors so that you can see if there's a blip. You can see. Yeah, see, so if that was tighter, I made that happen, but if you had a spike or a dip, then you know there's the sensor's cutting out. And you can go to the sensor and give it a wiggle, give any of the wires a wiggle, maybe there's a connection issue. So, that's really cool. Alright, let's escape out of there. So for transmission control, all I could do is scan the codes and clear codes if I needed to. There wasn't a lot of data that I could see. Alright, so there's a couple codes for the ABS. Hydraulic pump. Side tolerance. Alright. Exit. We could clear those codes. Okay, so that's cool. Any of these modules that you can actually talk to. I would assume air conditioning. This vehicle probably doesn't have that as an option. but the airbags communicate with the airbag system, which is helpful. Oops. Read codes. So low voltage. That was because we had a weak battery in there, so we can erase that code. So we'll clear the airbag code. All right. Yes. So if the vehicle has any of these, you'd be able to communicate with them. But the tire pressure monitor, this vehicle doesn't have that, so it's not going to talk to any module because there is no module to talk to. So yeah, see, so that's what's going to happen when there's a module that you don't have. So that's normal, and that's going to be with any scan tool. So this is pretty cool. A lot of options for this. Oops. So you can turn the beep off if that's annoying to you. That's cool. Alright, so we got the new sensor in. Let's start the car. Starts right up. We're going to clear out the codes. Are you sure you want to clear the codes? Hit yes. Clearing fault codes, no engine light. So I like this scan tool, it's pretty cool. It does a lot more than just a basic scan tool. You can read other modules like the transmission control or even the airbags, and the ability to see data but also clear codes if you needed to. So if you're interested in this, definitely check this out. There'll be a link in the description.